Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to upload your resume to Indeed. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here if you haven't already. And after opening up the website, guys, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here where you can see you can go ahead and get started searching for a job. So now guys, the first thing we need to do to be able to upload our resume is to go ahead and log into your account or create a new one if you do not have one already. So what we want to do guys is go ahead and click on the sign in button right here in the upper right corner. Click on sign in and this will now take you to this new page where you can go ahead and sign into your account. So after logging into your account guys, you'll be back to this home page right here where now we can get started with uploading our resume. So we can do that guys by going up here in the upper right corner and click on our profile icon. Click on your profile icon. This is going to open up this new drop down menu right here, and you want to go ahead and open up the first option right here, which is profile. Click on profile guys, and this will now take you to this new page where you can enter in your profile info that you want to edit. And as you can see, the first option right here is color resume. So what you want to do is, as you can see, there is a button that says upload resume right here. So all you need to do to be able to upload your resume is to just click this button and then select the resume from your PC and enter in the document you want to upload, and after that you will be able to successfully upload it to your Indeed account. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.